Keycloak and MailHog, exploring email sending, user self-registration, and custom attributes. Hi, over the past 2 weeks, I've been working to understand how to use a bare metal token to add custom attribute in line with our project requirements. Here it is for you to review and get things moving. Let's get started. I already have a VS Code running on port 3000. Check out the introduction episode of this series to set up your own environment. Here is the summary of this blog, of this post, episode 2, and here is some concept. And let's get started right here. Let's open a terminal and let's clean our terminal, our machine right here. Okay, yes, I want to delete all token, all Docker and image. Proceed, and there you have it. We have no node v, and we have Docker -v 27. Fine, clear up, and let's start with step 0. Run Keycloak locally. Let's copy this chunk of code, go to the terminal, and let's paste it to create our network. Okay, and there you have it. And now let's run Docker or Keycloak itself with this command. Okay, in terminal, let's run this, and let's hope that all image will be downloaded from Quay.io, the hat repository. This Keycloak is maintained by the team of hat. Let's wait all the poly image from the repository, and it is complete now. Let's go now to step 1. Start a mail server. Run this Docker command to get your MailHog up and running. Okay, let's paste it right here, and let's wait the downloading all the image from the terminal, MailHog terminal. It's almost there. We hope for the best, and there you have it. Now let's test first the email. Okay, let's test first the email, localhost 8025. Let's open a new tab and type localhost 8025, and there you have it. We have a MailHog running. Okay, now let's go to the step 3. Create a realm. Okay, for this let's open the Keycloak terminal 88. Okay, let's wait, and there you have it. Let's type admin and password admin. Okay, and hope for the best. And here is the master realm. Okay, now go to here, click here and create a new realm. Okay, and let's put these names to quick start helm, create a new realm, and there you have it. We have a new realm created. Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, we did we create a quick start realm. Now let's create a client, and the client will be the name of test client. Let's copy this and let's go to realm, client, create client, and let's name it client ID test client. Okay, next. Let's dismiss this standard only for direct access grants. Next, and let's type http localhost 3000, and let's save our client. Test client is created. Let's go to the step 5. Send an email to Keycloak. First we have to go to the master realm. Okay, let's go there. Click here, and now let's see the master realm, and let's go to the Keycloak master realm. Find, choose user, and type admin, the user, and let's type an email for the admin user. Let's say webmaster local host, and the first name will be webmaster administrator. You choose your own. Let's see. Yes, save this. Okay, now let's return to the tutorial and see what we have to do next. Step 6, return to Keycloak realm, and now switch back to the Keycloak realm. Okay, and let's go to the realm settings, email, and configuring the email there. Let's go there. We are on the master realm. Let's go to the quick start realm, realm settings, here emails, and let's make some configuration here. Let's go Keycloak at localhost go host.org. You choose your own, and let's go to the realm demo. Mail is the Docker container that we run now, and the port 1025, and that is all. Let's save. Okay, realm save, and let's test the connection and see. Realm successfully updated, success SMTP connection, successful email was sent. Let's see. Okay, there you have it. The email was sent. Now the administrator have the email already confirmed. Okay, let's delete this and let's return to the step 7. Open your localhost 88, and we did this already. Okay, now the transition from step 8 to 12 is crucial. Please hold on with me. Let's go to the step 8. Set at the realm level the attribute. How we did it? Let's say that we want we need a additional information about user. Let's say avatar URL. Okay, how can I add this attribute? A custom attribute. Okay, go to the realm, user profile, create attribute. Okay, let's create attribute in the realm settings. Okay, let's go there. Let's see realm settings. Okay, now go to this, let me see, client user profile. Let's see, user profile, yes, here. And let's create a new attribute here and name it avatar. Okay, let's copy this, Ctrl C, and let's display name avatar URL non attribute. All scope are requested. Okay, okay, here's nothing. Okay, and let's see, only for user, and I think that is all. Let me see, avatar always, okay, always only user. Okay, let me see, always require field only user here, always, and scope are requested, and there you have it. Okay, let's save this configuration. We create in the realm level the attribute avatar URL. Well, let's go to step 9. This is optional, but we will do this because we want a bare metal token. Okay, let's create a realm role. Okay, in the Keycloak dashboard, create a role and assign role. Navigate to realm role and under realm add user. Okay, let's go there. Let's here realm role. Let's create a realm. Name it user. Let's user role. Fine, and let's save the role, and let's go to add John. We do not have John yet, but I will do it in the upcoming step. Let's go to the set the client level. Now that the Keycloak recognize the user avatar, application, our client also needs to access this information. To do this, we have client scope, and let's configure our newly created avatar there. Let's go here, client scope, and let's create a scope. We do not have this scope right here yet, but let's create this one. Let's hope this avatar descriptions avatar. Okay, type display on consent screen avatar user avatar. Okay, including the token, and let's see if this is avatar optional. Okay, optional, display on consent user avatar include, and that's it. Let's save this, and let's go to this step and forward this step, hit save. Okay, when I hit save, it opens settings, mappings, and scopes right here. And let's go to the mapper, and let's map our avatar attribute right here. We choose attribute, user attribute, this AMR. Okay, and let's create this configuration, user attributes avatar only user ID token. Okay, let's go there. Okay, name user avatar token claim user avatar. It will be a string only add in the token ID token. Access token do not need this. Okay, let's dismiss this because we have a bare metal attribute. Let's save. Okay, let's return here, and now let's go to the align to attribute to a specific role. Okay, let's go there, scope, and assign attribute to a only who have user role assign. Okay, our attribute is now configuring. Let's assign attribute to a specific client. Okay, now the client needs to know about this attribute. Let's go to the client. We have now create test client create. He want to know about the URL. You see that he do not have yet the attribute URL. Let's add a client attribute, and let's add a newly avatar URL and set it as optional. Fine. Now I will clean this up so that our token will return only with the profile, email, avatar. Let me show you how. And let's delete this address, basic. Let's maintain email, profile, micro profile, offline, organization, phone. Let's role profile and web orange. And let's see remove. Okay, we remove all these scopes for our test client. And let's set this to all to optional. Let's see how I did this. Assign type, add this, add optional. Oh, sorry. Let's return to now. Let's see, assign type, and let's all type. Okay, and let's first select this, and this. It is not in default, and let's assign type to optional. Oh, sorry. Oh, it is here again. Let's see again. Let's all type, select default profile, email profile rules, and change optionals. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have 5 attributes: avatar, email profile, and roles. And these attributes will be called by scope in the body of our URL call in the postman. I will show you in the next steps. Let's go ahead and see finalize the advanced configuration of our to not return a refresh token. Let's go there, advanced, and let's dismiss this. We do not want refresh token because we have a bare metal token. Let's save, fine, and I think everything is configuring. Now is the best part is to enable user, and let's go there. Let's open a Keycloak console, realm, and login. Okay, let's go there. Keycloak console, realm settings, and let's go to login, and let's authorize user registration. Let's dismiss this and verify the email right here. I think that is all. Let's continue. Okay, step 14. To explore the new account, just open a new tab. Okay, let's open that. and let's go to navigate to this location is Keycloak login. Let's dismiss this, and I want to register a new user. Let's name it, let me say John. Okay, John will have the password 123 and confirm the password 123. Oh, sorry, let's go again, 123 123. Let's paste in email. Let me see, John Doy localhost.org. The first name is John and the last name is Doy. And avatar, let me say http avatar URL. Let me simulate a link to my avatar. Okay, and let's see, let's register John. Okay, you need to verify your email address to activate your account. John goes to his email and see this is mail verification, John Doy localhost.org, and let's click this link and we will be redirected to this as to here to, let's dismiss this and let's dismiss this, and here is where the email sent me now to my own personal information about myself. Okay, let's go here, security, assign, and click set up admin authentication application, and now you prepare your app free OTP on your mobile. And let's read this QR code right now. I am reading now. Okay, let me dismiss one thing here. Okay, let's read again. Let me see if it will work. Okay, everything is work. Now let me show 84997 and let's name it as mobile. Mobile. The one-time code is already 359876, and let's try, and there you have it. I already register my own account in my Keycloak. Let's see if John is in my realm now. Let's go to the quick start client. Let's see, not client, let's show user. Fine, here is John, and John is with the email verify already, and everything is fine with John. And let's see role mapping for John right here. Let's dismiss this and let's unassign this, and let's create a new user and let's put it to user. John have a user role in my application, my quick start application. Okay, let's return to the tutorial, and 14 we did. Let's see, fine, everything is fine, free OTP, fine, we already did it. And 16, let's go to the Postman. Okay, let's open Postman and let's see if everything is working fine. Okay, I open my Postman right now, and we have already this configuration already here. Let's go and see let's call for token endpoint, and let's send for a body x double 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 form URL included, the value test client, client ID, username, user John, password 123, grant password, and TOP. Let's dismiss this for now, and let's see in my mobile the new token 05 and 035. Let's test, and there you have, we have our first token. Let's see what this token is all about. Copy this token, copy, and let's go to a GWT site. Okay, and let's paste it right here and see if what we have in this token. We have expiration time, insured time, JTI is a security hash, ISS is the insurers quick start, type is a bearer token, AZP is my application test client, SID is token ID, and the scope we have not say any scope yet. Let's fix this, sorry, and let's put some stock, and let's go to the application and see what is this next step. Is this step here is explanation, and let's go and make the scope of email. Let's go there in the postman and put the scope as only for, let me dismiss this and put the scope at email. Okay, let's clean it up, and let's clean the console up to clear. Okay, let's send first, let's go to your phone and see the TOP send, and there we have the email return in this scope and the token right here. Let's read this token, Ctrl C, and see if we have in any email. Sorry, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Now we have an email return in this scope. Scope email, verify email, John Doe localhost, and everything is fine. Now let's go to the step 18. Now let's type scope opening ID, and it will return two token, ID token and access token, and you see right now. Let's see, let's dismiss this, clear, and let's clear it too. Okay, and let's type this scope to open ID, and let's see what in 82552, and let's try again, and now you see two token, access token and ID token, and let's see each one. Access token, we do not ask email for now, and let's see right here, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and now the scope is only open ID, and access token have nothing yet. Let's see the ID token. ID token, you will return an open ID information. Let's see, copy, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and here it is. We have an open ID information about this token, and this is a type of ID, and we have nothing here but only this at hash. Okay, let's fix this with the next step, step 19. Let's see 19, and let's go avatar. Let's return our avatar because our avatar will be return it only in the ID token. Let's see how I can do this, and let's avatar URL, and let's clear this, and let's clear console up 2, and let's get another token. Let me see the name 439435 and send. Okay, we have 2 tokens, and let's see the ID token. See if we have the avatar return it here in this token. Let's see, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and now we have a avatar returning right here. Fine, let's go to this step 12 using the same endpoint in adding a parameter profiles and roles, and let's see, we are testing only. Okay, let's see, let's return only the email, and let me see, and roles, and let's and roles, email and roles. We return the roles of this user right here. Let's clear this up too, and let's see another token. Let me see 899359, and let's send. Now we have only the access token, and let's see if we have email and roles in this token. Copy all this token to see what we have inside this token. Ctrl C, go there, J3, Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl V. Now we have the roles returned, user, and the scopes. It is the email, and that's it. Let's go to the step 21. With this token we can access our secure access, because the user now has the user administration. Let me show you here. The user, to go to the secure endpoint, he have to have user role, and John have. We return John right now. Here we return John right now, and the run is have this role, so he have access to this endpoint. Let's confirm this, and let's go here, and the only thing we send is the access token that we already have. Now let's send, and there you have it. The John have access to this token. Okay, now let's see the next step is 22. If you using a developed environment like Node.js, you can do it all automatically. And here is a script for this, and here is my script. Let me show you the script, and this script will make all this thing for access the token as we did it in Postman. Let's try it out, and let's return profile and roles, and with John, and let's put another code. Let me see, 3535099. I think that is all. Control S. Sorry, I have to go here and say node is script. Sorry, cd node, cd, let me see, resource. Okay, and we have to call node is script js, and the token already get another token. Let me see my phone right here. 429767. Let's save and let's hit, and there you have it. The token is returned John Doe with the profiles and roles. Don't John Doe. User has the roles profile, and you did the same thing as you did in your Postman call. And then the last step 23 we did in all this tutorial episode. We did the password grant, and the password grant is right here with we send a grant type, username, password, client ID, and client secret if required. In our case, our test client is not is public, it's not confidential. But we have another one is authorization code. We acquire a authorization code, refresh token. We dismiss this refresh token, but we can call refresh token and client grant. Let me show you in the here where you find this configuration. You go to the quick start and click open ID endpoint configuring, and you see here the configuration, and here is the, let me show you, here is the response type supporter: code, none, ID token, token, ID token, and not here but out, sorry, grant type supported, authorization code, implicit code, fresh code, password, client scope, and that's it. I think that is all. Thank you very much to join me here at J Channel. For now, I am saying goodbye. Thank you very much, and bye.